The first T-Max was launched in 2001, and its comfort made it the first super scooter in its class. The seat is spacious and well padded, and the pillion pad is even larger. Both have three-way heat adjustment. The riding position is upright, with feet slightly forward and arms extended to the handlebars, while the 7.0-inch TFT dashboard is encased in a large fairing with a large, electrically adjustable screen that effectively deflects wind even at high speeds. Good design doesn't always mean drastic changes, and the T-Max is already the best in its class. While the purpose-built 560cc parallel twin engine makes it agile and entertaining, Euro 5 Plus inspired changes include a new exhaust, while the touring and sport riding modes have also been recalibrated, most noticeable in the city on the now much softer T setting. The T-Max is luxurious and well-equipped, and overall it's been upgraded. It includes heated grips and seats, an electrically adjustable screen, a striking and fully connected TFT dashboard, cruise control, and under-seat storage. The latest T-Max scooter has a top speed of 160 km per hour. Like a traditional turn-and-go scooter, there's storage space in the fairing for storing and charging a mobile phone. Keyless start, heated grips and seat, customizable display, and a fully connected dashboard with Bluetooth and free satellite navigation downloads make it all the more complete. This scooter is big enough to be comfortable for everyone, fast enough, and has a decent luggage compartment under the seat with room for a trunk lid.